Hey there, Matthew, Freedom Home Services again. Some of my realtor friends may find this funny. On our home inspections, we often will call out siding, cement board siding in particular, that has been installed improperly. And this is just a great example of why we call it out. One of those things is nailing too close to the edge. And so you see all these spots where the siding has been repaired because the siding has been nailed too close to the edge of the board, and the cement board can crack and these little corners can chip off. So it appears that either the homeowner or the HOA has come by and they have repaired some of these, but if the waterproof membrane or waterproofing wasn't done properly behind the house, then you can have some damage to the wall sheathing. So in any case, hope my realtor friends get a good chuckle out of this, but it's also informative just to let you know what can happen when it is done improperly. Hope this is helpful.